Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make protein powder at home naturally. Protein powder is an excellent source of protein, and it's often used by fitness enthusiasts and athletes. But most of the store-bought protein powders come with additives, preservatives, and artificial sweeteners. So, why not make your protein powder at home using natural ingredients? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make protein powder at home using simple, natural ingredients. Before we get started, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of almonds. 1 cup of oats. 1 cup of dried coconut. 1 cup of pumpkin seeds. 1 cup of sunflower seeds. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius. Spread the almonds, oats, dried coconut, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds on a baking sheet and toast them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until lightly browned. Let the mixture cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, transfer the mixture to a food processor or blender and blend until it turns into a fine powder. Store the protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. You can use this homemade protein powder in your smoothies, oatmeal, pancakes, or any other recipe that requires protein powder. It's a natural and healthy alternative to store-bought protein powders, and it's free from any additives or preservatives. So, that's how you can make protein powder at home naturally using simple ingredients. It's easy, affordable, and healthier than most store-bought protein powders. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.